sample bath. So this will be the continue, going to the flare.
Yes.
However,
Yes.
yeah, and second will go from the bath to the flare. But
Yes.
here, Mr. Moheri, he was just, he wanted to tell something regarding, the pressure will go to same line. So this is which line is you are talking about?
Flare line, you mean to say, sir?
No, you said it will, this pressure will go to same line.
Okay. So that one is different. That is Avest has only recommended. Let me open, sir. It will take some time. The other vendor schematic. So just wait a minute. Okay, this one, right?
One minute.
Yeah, this one. So they recommended like this, sir.
Okay,
If
so
you
this
see,
is the flow.
it will come, and from there sample will go this side, right side, and left side. The same pressure will go back to the same line.
Again. This is I didn't get you. You mean this is it is to get the representative sample like that?
Yes. Just control. So this is the line.
Okay.
The line pressure will come. Yeah, source from there. Our sample will come this side, and the same remaining pressure, the remaining sample will, the high pressure sample will go back to the same line in the same direction.
No, but this is see now the intake is intake is the lower than the sample which is going back. So if it is the same line, then it will not be representative sample. It will be recycling, correct?
No,
Maybe orientation or something.
No, the sample will come this line, sir. So this will be continuous.
No. I mean, it is continuous, and then it is going after this double block. It is going to connect to the same the sample. I mean,
line
sampler, correct?
Yes, probe, same sample probe.
Yeah, same probe. So it means it will be recycling. It will not be. Yeah, this should be not to connect to the same. It should be connected to the downstream of that pipe. And other with the other tapping, then it will be okay. It will be some.
Yeah, we will check this. Yeah, we will check this point, sir. Now they recommend this one.